Okay, so today we're working on a Kenwood TS450S ham radio. Somebody made a mess. Look at that. That's destroyed. Okay, we ordered one. So we got a nice new used one that's in perfect shape, as far as I can tell. So we're going to attempt to replace this and not mess it up. Now, what am I going to do different? I like using these to plug these in. Yep. So we're going to be using, some tools to help do that. So wish us luck. That's what we're going to try to do, is unplug that and try to get it plugged in and hope for the best. So catch me in a little bit. Psychotech Labs over and out. Okay, sure wish this thing would focus. That would be great. I just replaced this one here. That was all boogered up. This one's all boogered up. It goes way back down in there. Now I don't know if something's missing, but I've got this plug right here that's going to nothing. That could be an accessory, or it could be something's missing. So we are going to try and get to the other side of this and replace this ribbon cable here. This one in the back was half unplugged. So I checked, and yeah, somebody did do the Mars mod. Didn't do a very good job of it because they butchered up all this stuff. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can get to the other end of that and replace that and tack it back together and see if it does anything more than nothing. All right, catch me later. Okay, audio. So it's kind of working now. I've got no sound though, so nothing coming out of the speaker. But yeah, it's transmitting in all modes and on the 11-meter band. Oh yeah, take that. So we're closing in. Now we just got to find out where we have no audio. Catch me later. Well, it's receiving. It's my signal generator. I don't have it set to tone. So it's receiving. It's transmitting. Looks like it's working. Looks like I have to put this thing all back together now. Yay! Catch me later. Psychotech Labs signing off. Okay. You can see we're on your favorite frequency there. Audio. We are transmitting. Oh yeah. And it does receive. It does have audio. Just doesn't have a bunch of static. So there you go. That's about as good as it's going to get, man. I'll catch you later. Have a good day.